Introducing the PhotoStick OMNI, the USB device that easily sorts and saves your precious moments. Over 1 billion people lose their cherished memories every year due to technology malfunctions and accidents. The PhotoStick changes that with its built-in software that automatically finds, sorts, and saves photos and videos across all your devices in minutes. To back up your photos from your computer, simply plug the stick in and click the PhotoStick icon that appears on your desktop. Then, click the Backup button and watch as the PhotoStick does the hard work for you. With its compact and portable design, the PhotoStick fits almost anywhere. To back up photos and videos from your phone, simply download the companion mobile app, plug in the PhotoStick, and begin your quick and easy backup. Store and view your photos across all your devices and easily share memories with friends and family for all to remember. Safe keep your photos and videos with the PhotoStick OMNI.